Right, so we've got a very new model here. This is the latest VW GTX. You've probably not seen many of these on the road so far. So this is in with us for our signature Blackvue Dash Camera installation. This is a LTE version. So I'll just give you a quick walk around on how it all looks. So I've got main rear camera obviously in the back here. No visible wires at all apart from that, just a little section there, and then obviously that's following the original OEM route through the gator. Every camera we install here, we always follow that particular procedure through the actual rubber gator, which is here. This obviously makes a very nice, neat install. So we have that one, which is there. And then main LTE camera itself, we've got nicely in here, as you can see, hardly any wiring again. And then this is properly wired in using fuse taps. We don't do any cutting, soldering or anything like that as regards to any of our installations, so everything is easily removed. If you want to swap the vehicle for another one, we can always remove the dash camera for you and put it in another car. So yes, if you're interested in having a dash camera fitted, or if you've just purchased one of these new Volkswagen GTXs, this gives you an idea of what we can achieve here at TTW Installations.